Hello, I'm Alice from Jasmine Language School. Jasmine Language School is a leading provider of quality Mandarin Chinese education. Now, I will introduce you to our learning management system. First, you can register and log in to our website, jasminemandarin.com or www.jasminemandarin.com. Either one works. You can go to our learning management system from here, courses, and you click video courses, LMS. Then you can find a course filter. Here, we have different levels of Mandarin Chinese courses: beginner, intermediate, and expert. And we have Chinese pronunciation courses, HSK standard Chinese courses. We have 9 courses here, HSK level 1 to 6. And let's see how it works. If you bought the standard Chinese pronunciation course, you click here to the page of this course, and you can browse the details about this course. This course has 20 videos. Okay, and 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 24 seconds together. You can watch the introduction of the course here, and you click here. You go to the courses. If you want to watch this, an overview of Chinese pinyin, you can click this.
Hello everyone, welcome to Jasmine's online Mandarin classroom. I am your teacher Alice Chen. Now let's have an overview of Chinese pinyin. Chinese pinyin is Chinese
now it's not very clear. Okay, now it's very clear now.
Syllables, which include initials, finals,
okay,
and tones in this class.
Maybe
the first question is, what a Chinese syllable is?
Z sound.
Hello, welcome to Jasmine's online Mandarin classroom. I am your teacher Alice Chen. Now we will learn the 3 initials. Z, S,
yes, very good quality. Yes,
originally
that's
we read them.
Good, right? We have HSK level 1 course. Let me show you. We have 15 lessons for HSK level 1 standard Chinese course. Let's click start course. So if I click text 1, I can watch the videos here. Level text 1, text 2. Yes.
Now let's learn text 2. Let's see the new words first.很高兴认识
So
您
teacher will explain in details.
Very. 高兴 happy. 认识 to meet, to know someone.
Chinese characters. Because this standard course, we also introduce the Chinese characters to you.
Now, I will introduce you to Chinese characters. Chinese water, 火, fire,
Explain the historical involvement of Chinese characters.
horse,
It's very helpful for students who want to learn,
云.
recognize, and write in
These
Chinese
8
characters. Right?
were written like this during that time.
Okay. This is how our learning management system works for you. You get it? If you have any question, just let me know. You can add my WeChat to talk with me. My contact is our school, our campus located in Wuxi New District. And you can add my WeChat and WhatsApp account with this number 18921535938, and you can browse our website first. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.